Assalamualaikum and peace be upon to you all. My name is Aiman Akmal bin Suhaimi and I'm from Group 1. We would like to present about classification of dosage form and latest development in drugs delivery. Before we present our topic, I would like to present my group's members. Let me introduce to you all my group's members.
Hai, selamat sejahtera sir. My name is Afaf Haimi binti Muhammad Akasa.
Hi, my name is Ainatu Alicia binti Amiruddin.
Hi, my name is Anusabila binti Mahdi.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Shazwal bin Ahmad Sabri.
Now I'm going to tell you about solid dosage forms. There has 11 types of solid dosage forms. The first one is tablet. A tablet is unit dose of one or more medicament. It prepared by compression or mold method. Common excipients used in tablets are diluents for provide bulkiness of tablet, disintegrants to ensure that the tablet breaks up in the digestive tract, binder, important for granulation of powder, glidants and lubricants, which for provide good flow and ensure efficient tableting, sweetness and flavor to mask the taste of APIs, pigments to mask uncoated tablets visually attractive. A coating may be applied to mask taste, smooth tablet for easy swallows, expanding shelf life and prevent gastric degradation of drug also. Number 2 is buccal and sublingual tablet. Buccal tablets placing between the gum and the cheeks. Sublingual tablets placing under the tongue. Medicament of both systems rapidly dissolve in mouth and absorb through the mucous membrane of mouth. Drug reaches in systemic circulation without affecting by gastric juice and metabolizing enzyme of the liver. As example is vasodilators and steroidal hormones. The third one is effervescent tablet. Effervescent are uncoated and generally contain acid substances as acetic and tartaric acids and carbonates or bicarbonate which react rapidly in presence of water and release carbon dioxide. They are intended to be dissolved or dispersed in water before use. It provides tablet immediately dissolve or disperse, or the second one is pleasant taste of carbonate drink. Number 4 is chewable tablet. There are tablets that chew prior to swallowing. They are designed for children or kids, as example vitamins product. Number 5 is capsules. Capsule is a solid unit dosage forms that contain a solid, a semi-solid and liquid which is filled in a gelatin shell. Common excipient in capsules are gelatin, commonly used as a gelling gel, plasticizer to ensure elasticity or mechanical stability. Third one is additional additive, which is preservative, coloring, and opacifying agent. There are mainly two types: hard gelatin capsules used for dry powder ingredients, and soft gelatin capsules used for semi-solid and for active ingredients that are dissolved or suspended in oil. Number 6 is lozenge. It is a solid preparation that used to medicate the mouth and throat for the slow administration of indication or cough remedies. It also consisting of sugar and gum, the latter giving strength and cohesiveness to the lozenge and facilitating slow release of the medicament. Number 7 is pastilles. I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Pastilles or pastille, I don't know. It is a solid medicated pillar candy preparation that designed to dissolve slowly in the mouth, and they are also softer than lozenge. And their base are glycerol, gelatin, acacia, and sugar. Number 8 is dental cones, a tablet from intended to be placed in the empty socket following a tooth extraction for preventing the local multiplication of pathogenic bacteria associated with tooth extraction. These tablets and excipients like lactose, sodium bicarbonate, and sodium chloride. Cones may contain an antibiotic or antiseptic. Number 9 is pills. It is a solid oral dosage form which consists of spherical masses prepared from one or more APIs with inert excipients. Pills are basically rarely used these days. Okay, now number 10 is oral granules. They are consisting of solid, dry aggregates of powder particles with irregular shape, often supplied in single, like those sachets. Some granules are placed under tongue and swallowed with water, and others are intended to be dissolved in water before taking it. Effervescent granule evolve carbon dioxide when added to water. Number 11, last but not least, is oral powder. Oral powder basically is bulk powder, multi-dose preparation consisting of solid, loose, dry particles of varying degrees of finesse. It contains one or more active ingredients with or without excipient, and if necessary, coloring matter and flavoring substances. It usually contains non-potent medicaments such as antacid, since the patient measure a dose by volume using a 5 ml medicine spoon. That's it.
What is a semi-solid dosage form? Semi-solid is a pharmaceutical system comprised a body of product which, when applied to skin. Semi-solid has 4 types, which is ointment, cream, paste, gel or jelly. Ointment are homogeneous translucent viscous semi-solid preparation instead for external application to skin or mucous membrane. Apply to mucous membrane or skin. Ointment be used emulsion, application for active ingredients to the skin, and occlusive. Cream is a viscous semi-solid emulsion with opaquous appearance, contrasts with transcretion ointment. And cream has 2 types, which is WO creams and OW creams. WO creams are as a cleansing agent, meanwhile OW creams are creams elegant drug delivery system. Next is a paste. Paste contain high percentage of insoluble solid, usually at 50% or more. Pastes are usually prepared by incorporating solid directly into a collage system by application with a bottom of paste to form paste-like mats. They have good adhesion of skin and less greasy. Gels or jelly. Gel are semi-solid system in which liquid paste is constrained with a 3D polymeric matrix having a high degree of physical or chemical cross-linking. Gel are aqueous colloidal system of hydride form of insoluble medication. Jelly are transparent or transcretion non-greasy semi-solid and contain more water than gel. Used for medication, lubrication, and carry for spare medical agents to be used intravaginally with diaphragm. That's all. Thank you.
Okay guys, liquid dose form. What is the liquid dose form? Okay, liquid dose form have many different dose form and names. Okay, number 1, oral solution. Oral solution are clear liquid preparation for oral use containing one or more active ingredient dissolved in suitable vehicle. This is oral solution. Okay, number 2, oral emulsion. Oral emulsion are stabilized oil in water depression, ether or both paste of which may contain dissolved solid ether oil is depressed, infinitely divided, formed in water or vice versa. Okay, this is oral emulsion. Number 3, oral suspension. Oral suspension be passive liquid preparation for oral use containing one or more active ingredients suspended, dissolved in suitable vehicle. This is oral suspension. Okay, syrup. It is concentrated solution of sugars, actually sucrose, to which medicaments are added. This is syrup. For example, syrup, febomedicine, and cosmedicine for children. Ia hanya untuk kanak-kanak, sesuai untuk kanak-kanak. Okay, number 5, alky. It is basically flavor clear oral preparation of contain or nauseous drug. This is alky. Okay, number 6, mouthwash. These are similar to goggles but are used for oral hygiene and to treat infection. This is mouthwash. Okay, number 7, lintos. Lintos is viscose liquid oral preparation that are actually prescribed for the relief of cough. It contains high proportion of syrup and glycol. This is lintos. Okay, number 8, oral drop. Oral drop are liquid preparation for oral use that are intended to be administered in small volume with the aid of a suitable measuring device. This is oral drop. Okay, number 9, gargles. They are prepared a concentrated solution with duration for the painting to dilute with warm water before use. Okay, this is gargles. Okay, number 10, lotion. It is monophasic liquid preparation For external application without friction ether, dabbled on the skin or applied on a suitable dressing and covered with a waterproof dressing to reduce evaporation. This is lotion. Okay, number 11. NASA drop and spray. NASA drop and spray is NASA drop is drug in aqueous solution, may be instilled into the nose from a dropper or from a plastic squeezer bottle. Okay, this is nozzle, oral and spray. Okay, number 12. Collodion. Collodion is a solution of nitro, cellulose in ether or acetone, sometimes with the addition of alcohol. This is collodion. Okay, the last number, 13. Paints. Paints are monoposic liquid for application to the skin or mucous membranes. Okay, this is paint.
Novel drug delivery system. What need for new drug delivery system? Number 1 is control release. Number 2 is individual therapy. Number 3 is drug absorption and distribution and metabolism vary among individuals. Properties of responsive drug delivery device is divided to 5. Number 1 is control release profile. Number 2 is long life, biocompatible and inexpensive. Number 3 is safe from accidental release, easy to fabricate and sterilize and allow high drug loading. Number 4 is inert, mechanically strong and easy to implant and remove. Number 5 is continuous monitoring, telematic data transfer and allow physical intervention if needed. Various type of drug delivery is divided to 4. Number 1 is oral, number 2 is injection based, number 3 is transdermal, then number 4 is carrier based. Oral drug delivery system is formulation range from simple tablet to newer modified control release tablet. Involve use of various polymers and hydrogel based formulation. Like thin film drug delivery is oral drug strip to administer drug via absorption, or GI specific drug, hydrogel, A. Hydrogel preparation, B. After imbibition. Injection based drug delivery system is provide fast systemic effect by passing first pass metabolism. Drug can be administered in unconscious or comatose patient. Drug having short half-life can be infused continuously. Like the Mojet, it is a subcutaneous needleless injection used for mass inoculation, or pellet implantation. Drug as a solid pellet is implanted under the skin to provide uniform systemic effect like testosterone. Or intradermal injection is the amount of drug given is small and the absorption is slow, like BCG vaccine or insulin pen. Inhalation or pulmonary drug delivery system is inspiration through the nose or mouth. Alveolar epithelium offers good surface area especially for lipid soluble drug, and the drug are also excreted by this route, like meter dose inhalation and dry powder inhalation. Transdermal drug delivery system is advised patches containing the drug are applied on the skin, and the drug crosses the skin surface by diffusion by percutaneous absorption and goes into systemic circulation by first pass hepatic inactivation. Like transderm scope or scopamine used for motion sickness, and hydrogel transdermal patch used in treatment of burn.
We talk about novel drug delivery. Carrier-based drug delivery system have six, which is have micelles, vesicelles, multifunctional polymer, nanospheres, nanocapsule, and liquid crystal. Development drug delivery, monoclonal antibodies, directly when binding to a cancer-specific antigen and induce immunological response to cancer cells, and was modified for delivery of a toxin, cytokine, or other active conjugates. Liposomal drug delivery, preclinical and clinical liposome packed drug exhibit reduced toxic with enhanced efficiency due to altered pharmacokinetic drug accumulation at disease sites and reduce distribution to sensitive tissue, target delivery of drug. Nanoparticle-based drug delivery. Using nanotechnology, the drug can be targeted to a precise location, which would make the drug much more effective and reduce the change of possible side effect. Other than that, more specific drug targeting and delivery. Reduction in toxicity while maintaining therapeutic efficacy. Nanocarriers, nanoparticle, nanotube, nanoshell. It has a genetic transfer system under evolution and clinical trials for adenovirus and HIV. Future opportunities. Nanoparticle provide massive advantage regarding drug targeting. Delivery with additional potential to combine anti-tumor therapy, gene therapy, AIDS therapy, and radiotherapy. And the last one is involved in delivery of virostatic vaccine and as vesicle to pass blood-brain barrier. Thank you.